What's going on, everybody? The Fan Dude 21 back once again. And what you see in front of you here is a 52-inch Hunter Infiniti. This fan was manufactured back in 1999, and the Infiniti was Hunter's more contemporary styled fan, manufactured back in the mid to late 90s all the way into the early 2000s. Like I said, this one is from 1999. And then it came in a slew of finishes. They had white brass, polished brass, antique brass, this finish here, which is a gloss black. And they also, I believe, made one in a gunmetal finish, which of course is the most hardest to find. The gloss black here is fairly hard to find as well. That's probably the only one I've ever picked up. Actually, I did have a white and brass one back in the past, but I no longer have it. So, see on top here is that the fan uses the installer's choice mounting system, and of course I do not have the mounting bracket for it. So that's why I'm just have a regular bracket on it, and the canopy's just sitting on top of the motor. Usually I try to keep a cleaner look when I present these fans here, but unfortunately I have no way to do so. But I do have an idea to use an older mounting bracket, so I can use this canopy as the canopy doubles as a mounting bracket on Hunter fans. Pretty interesting. Now for the blades are a high gloss black, as you can see, and they are reversible to a high gloss rosewood. The black side is a little bit better finish or a better shape, so that's why I'm using it for the video. Or else I would have used the rosewood side because I always like using a wood tone blades on a solid colored fan like white or black like this. And the fan is 3 speeds, electrically reversible. Averages as to be expected from a Hunter from the late 90s. We'll start up here on low. Background noise is some fans I've run upstairs. The fan's actually very quiet. The bearings are still in good shape. Here's low speed. Pretty nice low speed, not too acidic, but not too fast. Take it up to medium. And finally, we'll take it to high. And it's got a bit of a wobble to it. I think one of the blades are a little bit warped. It's very hard to bend these brackets out of alignment. Otherwise, it's a very smooth running fan. And it's got a decent amount of airflow, nothing too serious, but a decent amount, like I said. Yeah, I can hear one of the blades more because you can hear the inconsistency of the whippage, if you know what I mean, in the blades. You're one blade making a more of a substantial sound than the other 4. So that will be the contributor to the wobble. We'll go in here and reverse the fan, and we'll go and stop it. And I'm just going to cycle through reverse pretty quickly, as the speeds are just about the same as they are on downdraft. Yeah, Hunter fans are usually pretty consistent when they're between reverse and downdraft position, high, medium. Well, I can't say that because the 42-inch original in my kitchen right now actually runs slower on reverse, so that may not be entirely true. And here's low once again. And we're going to shut her off. And that's about it for this video, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch gloss black Hunter Infiniti ceiling fan from 1999. So once again, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.